Not just during the pandemic time, but every day in life, drones are becoming more a part of our everyday life, whether we like it or not. We've got Amazon starting to test, and even Walmart and other fulfillment centers that are actually trying to use drones to safely deliver products to people's homes and businesses. The challenge is, are they causing more of an interruption that could cost them money or potential lawsuits? The other thing is that drones are being utilized now to hopefully increase safety. They say they're going to be more accurate, they're going to reduce waste, and they're going to be able to do this at astounding speeds. So mobility and delivery to production and manufacturing are just some of the things they're working on. But I think we've got a lot more to think about, because what happens if a drone crashes into your window?